Hey people, so we are at Minerva coffee shop, and that is my child tasting a Ragi Dosa, which you can get for just 169. Ayush, how do you find it, Chona? Really? So even these food vlogs get sometimes over 700 views and all. Oh, it's filled with onions. Okay. This is good. Yeah, on a scale of 1 to 10, Ayush, what would you rate it?
6.
Huh? An 8?
6.
A 6? Yeah.
Below average.
Okay. So this is the Minerva coffee shop, and it's a cute place, really.
I don't know what the hype is for this place.
Okay. Okay. I will just. So yeah. But yeah, this is a nice place.